You're looking at a 2020 Chevy Bolt LT all electric. It gets about 270 miles on a full charge. It has a brand new battery that was replaced under recall. Comes loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got CCS fast charging, keyless entry. The number's right there. Android Auto, Apple Carplay, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel. I think it just said that. Excellent condition. 39,200 miles. It does come with a 110 volt home charger, portable charger, sorry. Absolutely no stories. It's going to have 4 brand new tires. It's actually going in right after this video. It's going to have 4 all seasons that are brand new. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you.